Hey everyone, I'm Ashleigh Foxx. I'm a freshman software engineering student here at Georgia Tech and, like many of you, a content creator. If you're tired of the algorithm games and public metrics that don't pay the bills, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through PoDM. It's the first platform I've seen that actually treats your content like a business. No public follower counts, no shadow banning, just a private link between you and your top fans. Let's get you set up. First, click Sign Up. You'll want to select the Creator toggle. Pick a username that fits your brand. We'll go with New Creator for now. Enter your email and set a secure password. Once you're in, PoDM takes you through a 4-step setup. Step 1 is just a welcome. We're here to build a community, not just a profile. Click Next Step. Step 2. Your public identity. Enter your public name and a bio. Think of this as your elevator pitch. I like to keep mine friendly. I love to connect with my best friends. Simple and inviting. Now, the fun part? The money. PoDM lets you create multiple tiers. In this example, we're setting up a bronze tier for $4.99, a silver for $9.99, and a gold for $49.99. As an engineer, I love this structure because it allows you to segment your content based on value. You can add as many tiers as you need to fit your strategy. Before you can start earning, we have to talk about compliance. Because PoDM is a secure professional platform, age verification is mandatory. You'll need to upload a clear photo of your government ID and a selfie holding that ID. Finally, you'll sign an affidavit confirming you're over 18 and have consent for anyone else appearing in your media. It's standard, it's safe, and it protects you. Welcome to your dashboard. This is your mission control. You can see your total subscribers, monthly earnings, and profile visits at a glance. Over here, you'll find your private profile link. This is your golden ticket. You share this in your social bios or DMs. You can even grab a QR code for your Linktree or physical marketing. Let's post something. Go to Content and click Upload New Content. Give it a title and a description. Here's where PoDM shines. Visibility settings. You can make a post for subscribers only, or you can set it as pay-per-view, PPV. If it's high-value media, set a price, like $74.99, and fans have to pay to unlock it. You also have an unlisted option for the Creator's Vault, which is perfect for sending specific media through direct messages later. And yes, you can schedule your posts for a specific date and time, essential for staying consistent without being glued to your phone. Knowledge is power. The Analytics tab tracks your growth and top-performing content. In the Earnings tab, you'll see what's available for payout and what's pending. You can filter your transaction history by subscriptions, tips, or PPV messages, so you know exactly where your revenue is coming from. Let's polish your profile and settings. Under Account, you can upload your banner and profile picture to make the page yours. Pro tip: enable the welcome message. This automatically sends a DM to new subscribers. You can even attach free content from your vault as a thank you gift. It's a great way to build rapport instantly. Finally, head to Payments. You'll connect your Stripe account here to get paid. You can also manage your tiers here and add specific features or perks, like direct messages or NSFW pictures, so fans know exactly what they're getting at each level. If you ever get stuck, the Help tab is right there. Just submit a ticket and the team will get back to you. And that's it. Your PoDM profile is ready to go. Remember, PoDM is about quality connection, not just quantity. Stop chasing those likes and start building your club. I'm Ashleigh Foxx. Good luck with your launch, and I'll see you on the inside. Well, since it's actually private, I guess I won't see you.